everyone, and welcome to our monthly watchlist updates. My name is Yassine from the North American desk, and today we are going to go over some of our favorite technical setups for the month of April. So we're going to start with the US market before heading over to Europe and then Hong Kong. Now let's take a look at the US market with a weekly chart of the S&P 500. Now the index remains supported by a long-term rising trend line that was formed in 2016. The index is also supported by the 50-week moving average here on the blue line. Now, as expected, we've witnessed a pullback towards this rising trend line. So the long-term trend is still intact. However, we would suggest to exercise some caution as the RSI has broken below the 50 level. So our targets are set at the recent high of 2872 and 2800 with a stop loss at the 50-week at 2530. Now let's head over to some stocks, starting with the US market. First off, Alphabet. Now the prices here are supported by a rising trend line, just like the RSI. The pullback towards a 50-week moving average is seen as a buying opportunity. So as long as we don't break below the stop loss of 1004, that we're looking at a final target of 1245. Next up, Microsoft. The prices are also supported by a bullish trend line in place since the summer of 2016. Now the stock has gained extraordinary momentum this past year and is expected to continue. So our final target is at 115.4 based on our Fibonacci level. Now for Mastercard. Now this stock also kept rising these past couple of months in a clear uptrend. It's also supported by the 20-week moving average here in the red line, indicating that the uptrend is well intact. So we've set a stop loss a little lower than the 20-week moving average at 160, and we're looking at a final target of 222. Now for the last US stock, Caterpillar, ticker CAT. Now the prices recently broke above a falling wedge continuation pattern. We're waiting for a break above the 20-week moving average for a clear confirmation. But as long as we're trading above our stop loss of 143, which is actually the low of the pattern, then we expect to reach our final target of 187.5. Now, let's head over to Europe, starting with Total. So after breaking above the consolidation area between 2014 and 2016, the stock has been ranging between 42.20 and 49. However, the stock recently broke above the resistance area at 49, which signals a change of momentum towards the upside. Especially at the energy sector has performed quite well this past weeks, we're confident that we can reach the 2014 high of 54.7. Now for our second French stock, Airbus. So this stock has been in a clear uptrend in 2017. The stock is supported by a rising 50-week moving average as well. As we're trading above that level, around 81.3, we can reach higher levels towards 110. Now let's fly over to Hong Kong to see what they have to offer. So starting with the insurance company AIA. We have an interesting support that was formed around 59.1. Now the stock also reached a record high after breaking above a minor resistance area. So as long as we're trading above our stop loss, then we're confident that we can reach higher levels towards 80. Now for our final stock, Sands China. This price, the stock here has been supported by a rising trend line that was in place since 2016. Now we notice the formation of a golden cross with the 50-week moving average in blue crossing above the 200-week moving average in green, which usually pushes the stock higher. Now we might have a minor resistance around 48.6, but we're confident that as long as we trade above the overlap level of 38.1, which is our stop loss, we can reach higher levels of 54.5. Now, that's all that we have for you guys today. We hope that you guys will find this video useful. But remember, for more research or trade ideas, make sure to subscribe to our social media channels and follow us on Twitter. Happy trading.